listen, I'm gonna be making tons of those watch videos because, believe it or not, I just got into the watch space recently, like less than a year, and started buying a few pieces, and I fell in love. Now I'm like freaking addicted. So today we were at the Rolex store. You know, I met my boy Victor, and then my girl Gabriella. They're freaking amazing. In the design district, downtown Miami, it's beautiful. So we ordered like 6 watches. Spent a lot of money, but that's fine. We got to take, I mean, those are like special orders. They're gonna come in like 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years. But we got away with 1 watch today, and I wanna share this with you. Oh my goodness, man. Listen, we're gonna open this. And by the way, wrist check. We have the Smurf. If you guys didn't watch this video, because I didn't make one. So white gold, blue bezel, blue dial. I got this, I think, actually on my birthday for $41,700 in the aftermarket. So some people would say, Mo, you paid a lot of money. I did. It was my birthday. I got emotional, but I freaking love this watch. This is my daily watch. All right, let's look into this, man. I'm keeping it professional, so I have a tray, I have gloves, but you know, I can't open this with this glove, so I'm gonna go left hand. Oh, are you ready? Oh my goodness, man, look at this piece. Wow. Sea-Dweller, 43 millimeters, with stainless steel, with a gold bracelet. This is oyster bracelet. Oh my god, man, so beautiful, so beautiful. Look at this. So I'm gonna try it on. Let's take everything out. So the price of this watch, and remember, from now on I'm only buying retail. So I mean, of course, if it makes sense, I'm not gonna buy something that trades under retail. But let's put this here. Gonna grab this. Oh my god, man, it's so beautiful. Right, let's see. This is 40 millimeters, but you know, I have a big wrist. Looks on my wrist. Oh my god, man, it's so beautiful, so shiny. I can make love to this watch, trust me. Right, love it. Of course, you've got the bezel. Man. So how much did I buy this watch for? I don't like to use this watch. I don't like to use terminology like buy. I did not buy this watch. I invested into this watch because those watches always, like, it's a great investment because the return on investment, in case you want to trade it, like I can wear this watch for like a year or two and then sell it for a profit. So used, it will sell for a profit. That's why I'm in love with the watch game. I started learning more about watches, learning the history behind the watches, and oh my god, this is beautiful, right? Check it out. All right, listen, that's it for today's video. Stay tuned because I've got so many watches. Actually, let me show you my watch winder. Listen, this is my office setting. Everything's all over the place. We just moved in, but I want to show you my watch winder. Can you come from this side? Oh my goodness, actually it's a safe. There's 12 watches. I don't want to show you what's inside because I want to make reviews about those watches, all right? So stay tuned because you are going to love this.